Hey people, tomorrow I'm taking a plane to go to the States again. Super excited about it. It's been over 3 months for you guys. It was like yesterday because the last video you saw I was in Minnesota. It's actually gonna be up tomorrow evening. When you're gonna see that video, or when you saw that video, was when I landed back in the States. So that's cool. But it's been, over 3 months, so super excited. And lots to come, so I'm getting ready with my super firehouse t-shirt. Fire department t-shirt that I'm proudly wearing. The States. We're gonna leave the city in 5 minutes. Woohoo!
This is how I film.
I want to dance with somebody who's filming me something. Oh, South Carolina. Nice. Welcome back to the States. It's a beautiful day. It is maple syrup harvest season or sugary season. Maybe by now it's over, as it only lasts between 4 to 6 weeks. And we were at Nature's Sweet Secret, which is a family business. It started as a passion, but they became a business later on. And they're such nice people. We learned all about maple syrup making. The owner took the time to give us a special tour. He explained the whole thing, and he showed us every step of the process. So this is how small it is, and so basically that's what it is. And they don't even put, like, they put not even half of it inside the tree, and that's it. And from then on, so that tube obviously is a tube that you can get. It's a professional thing because of the regulations and stuff. And then it goes over there here, and then all the way. And it's vacuumed all the way over there.
This part of the line comes down, and I cut a logging road all the way up to the backside of our property for right now, so I can access it, you know, with the tractor or that. It comes into here, right? My vacuum's right here.
Okay.
This would be all full of vacuum, which goes into this container. Right? So this container is.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So clear.
Right, you see it coming in right there? See, that's just a float. That always controls how much. See, if I push down on it, it takes more. Right? That's always going to maintain. I only want that thick in this right here, right here.
We actually ran out and had to buy some a couple months ago in college.
It's actually really good.
We love it. Almost every Sunday. Almost every Sunday.
It's so cool.
How many chords do you guess you're going through a day?
That's gonna be the first week, and then the more time passes, the stronger it will be. And before, obviously they use buckets, but it's a lot of work. I really recommend you to stop at this place. The prices are actually pretty cool, pretty nice compared to other places, and it can get any fresher, which I really like. So you should definitely check them out. Forever. I think in 4 months. Can you believe it? I waited 4 months for Ruben. Good food, good people, come here. snack for you, but I do have a new toy. Well, I won't fall. I work on my abs, so I have balance. You smell it. Smell the tree? Yeah. We're back in New Hampshire. Remember my friend Chuck? Beer later? Beer. You need a beer.